ನೋಡ್ರಿ
My dear students, now we shall discuss the seventh question. Let us see the question. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by, here the word is by, not on, by a conical top. Tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Also find cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 550 per meter square. So here the tent is in the shape of what? It is cylinder. So let us take so the tent in the shape of cylinder. Okay, let us assume this as a tent. Now after that, again this side. This cylinder is surmounted by what? Conical part. Means the top of this cylinder there was a cone. So let us draw a cone. Now this is what? This is a tent. Okay. Now we are going to make the canvas. Means we can apply the paint, or you can put the tarpaulin on this one. Okay. This is what canvas it is. We are going to find the area, how much area we have to make canvas, one part, and also the cost of canvas we have to find. So here conditions they given. What are the conditions? So the height and diameter of the cylindrical part. So height of this one is how much? So height of this cylinder is given. So that is how much? 2.1 meter. 2.1 meter. This is the height of the cylindrical part. And diameter is how much? 4 meter diameter is given. So if diameter is 4 meter, then radius of the cylindrical part is 2 meter. Okay, that is 4 divided by 2 it is. And now the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Now slant height it is. So from here to here, this is the height of the cone. But the given is slant height. That is how much? 2.8 meter. This is a slant height of the cone it is. Okay. So find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. So we have to find the area used for canvas. But we cannot make the canvas for the base. Base we are not going to put any cover on this. Okay. So we will put cover on here only. So not here. It is not useful for us. Okay. So we have to find this area. How we can find? So since it is a tent, here it is open. Okay. So here it is the base. We are not going to make any canvas here. Now we are going to make the canvas for the area, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, CSA of the cylinder or cylindrical part, plus curved surface area of the cone. So that is the required area for canvas. Okay. Let us write the given data first. Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder or cylindrical part you can write. Height of cylinder. So that is H is equals to how much? 2.1 meter. This is what? Height of the cylinder. Now radius of the cylinder. Radius. So radius of cylinder and radius of cone both are same here only. Okay. So radius of cylinder or cone it is. Or cone. So that is equals to how much? R I will take it is 2 meter. That is 4 divided by 2. Diameter they have given 4 meter. So radius will be 2 meter. Next, the slant height of the cone is given. That I will take it as L. Slant height. Slant height of cone. So L is equals to how much? 2.8 meter. So 2.8 meter. Now we are going to make the canvas for this tent. The area, the required area, right? The required area is equals to required area is equals to, what is that? CSA of cylindrical part. CSA of cylindrical part. Cylindrical part or cylinder, all right. Plus CSA of cone it is. Okay. CS of cylinder plus CS of cone, or CS of cylindrical part plus CS of conical part, I can write. Now this is equal to, let us write the formula. CS of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus CS of cone, that is pi RL. Now let us take common here. Common, what we can take? Pi R I can take common. Inside 2H plus L. 2H plus L. Now let us substitute the values here. So here, so that is equals to, pi is 22/7 into R value, radius. So how much it is? 2 into 2H. 2 into H value is how much? So here H value is nothing but 2.1. So this is what? 2.1 plus L. Slant edge it is. How much it is? Slant edge is 2.8 meter. 2.8 meter. Now this is equals to 44 divided by 7. So this is how much? 4.2 plus 2.8. Now this is 44 divided by 7 into. So this is how much? 7 it is. Am I right? So 7 will get cancelled. Remaining is how much? 44 meters square. So this is the 44 meters square. It is the area required for a canvas of the tent it is. So the first part is one. In that second part also there. Also find cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 550 per meter square. Cost of canvas. So for 1 meter square the cost they have given, that is how much? 550 rupees. 550 rupees for 1 meter square it is. 1 meter square, not meter. Okay. But for 44 meter square, how much is the cost? So that is means 44 into 550. We will get the total cost of canvas it is. Okay. So let us multiply it. 0, 55 into 44. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 20, 40, 42 carries 4. 5 4s are 20, 24. That is 2420. 24200. This is what? This is the cost. You must write it in rupees. Okay. So the total cost required for canvas is 24,200 rupees, and the area that we have to canvas. So that is how much? 44 meters square. Okay. This is how we can solve this. Now the cost of canvas, I have taken here 550. It is not 550. They given it as 500. Okay. The cost of that canvas for 1 meter square it is 500 they given. So if it is 500, then it will be. So this is 5 for the 22,000 it is. 22,000. Okay. So this is the total cost of canvas. Okay. Now let us go for the 8th question. So the question is, from a cylinder whose height 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and diameter allowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So initially there was a cylinder. From that cylinder we are going to form or we are going to remove one conical cavity. So the radius of diameter of that cylinder is given. So and also height of that cylinder is given. So let us draw a cylinder first. So let us take this as a cylinder. So it is solid it is. Okay. Cylinder it is. From this cylinder, conical cavity we are going to remove. So here, so diameter is 1.4 meter. Diameter of cylinder. Diameter of cylinder. That is equals to how much? 1.4 meter. And the height of cylinder is given. Height of cylinder is equals to, that is h. So h is how much? 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter. So here 1.4 it is centimeter, not meter. Okay. So 1.4 centimeter it is. Now, so a conical cavity of same height and diameter. So we are going to remove a conical cavity from this cylinder of the same height. So height of the cylinder as well as the height of the cone must be, height of the cylinder as well as height of the cone must be same, and diameter of the cone is also same. So now we are going to cut this cone or this type of this shape. We are going to cut. That cone will be removed. Now we have to find the remaining surface area. So remaining will be in this. Okay. So remaining will be this is the shaded part is the remaining part. So we are going to find the remaining surface area. How we can find it? So remaining surface area means if I take remaining surface area as curved surface area of cylinder, means this is curved surface only, plus curved surface area of this I can touch. So remaining means that the area we have to touch. So here inside hole is there. So this I can touch inside hole. So means curved surface area of cone, CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus this base is also there. This base is removed. So this top is removed. So this base remaining plus circular base of cylinder. Okay. So CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus circular base of cylinder. Otherwise in this way also I can write. You see, TSA of cylinder. TSA means this will come and this will come. Okay, including CSA. TSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. CSA of cone minus. If I say TSA of cylinder, then this area will come. So this area I cannot touch. It already removed. So TSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone minus circular top of cylinder, because in TSA this area will come. So this area already removed. So I cannot take it. Okay. So minus circular area top of cylinder it is. Okay. So in two ways you can write. Any one way you can write. You will get the same answer. So here first I will write the radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder or cone, both are same here. Cylinder or cone. So that I will take it as R. That is how much? 1.4 divided by 2. That is how much? 0.7 centimeter. Okay. Diameter by 2 it is. And now we have to find the remaining area, that to nearest centimeter square. So surface area of remaining solid. Surface area of remaining solid. Remaining solid is equals to what is that? First I will take CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. CSA of cone plus, okay, plus, so circular base of cylinder plus circular base of cylinder, okay. So this is surface area, remaining solid. Let us write the formula. CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone, that is what? Pi RL. Okay. Here L comes. We have to find that L. So here before this I must find L. So here I will write. I will remove this. Shall I write here? Okay. But one thing, after writing this data, you must find L. Okay. Now I will find L here. So L is nothing but what? L is equals to under root of R square plus H square. Okay, this is the formula. Otherwise you can apply Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, you will get it. So this is equals to root of R square. So R value is how much? 0.7. 0.7 square, that is what? 0.49 plus H square. So H value, that is 2.4. 441, am I right? 40, not 41, 24 it is. 24 means 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 2 the 4 plus 1, 576. 576 means 5.76. 5.76. Now this is equals to under root of. So if you add these two, you'll get what? 6.25. So 6.25 is nothing but what? 2.5. So this is L, 2.5 centimeter, because so these are in centimeter. Now we can write. So here we can take common here as 2 pi r. You can take common. Inside it will be. So this is also remain. This is what? Circular base. That is pi r square. Okay. So that is area of circle it is. In these three I can take common as pi r. Inside 2h plus L plus r it is. Now let us substitute the values. This is equal to. After this data you must write this. Okay. Then after you can write this formula. Now same as it is. Conclusion. Now phi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r. R value is nothing but 0.7. 0.7 inside. 2h. 2 into h value is how much? Here h value is 2.4 it is. 2.4 plus L. Slant height calculated is 2.5. 2.5 plus. Then R value is how much? R value is 0.7. 0.7. Calculation is very important. So this is, cancel this 0.1. So 22 into 0.1, that is 2.2. Multiply this 4.8 plus 2.5, this is 3.2. So this is 2.2 into 4, 5, 8 it is. Okay, 2.2 into 8. So 16 plus 1, 17. So this is 17.6 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the surface area of remaining solid. But they ask you to write the nearest centimeter square you have to write. So if it is more than 17.5, so it is nearer to, I can take it as 18 centimeter square. So therefore, nearest surface area is equal to 18 centimeter square. Okay. If it is less than 17.5, I can take it as 17. So it is more than 17.5, I can write it as 18 centimeter square. Okay. This is how we can calculate. Now let us see the last question in this exercise. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. So initially there was a cylinder. It is solid cylinder. So let us take this as solid cylinder. From this solid cylinder, we are going to form an article. So how we can form that article? By scooping out a hemisphere from each end. There are two ends. So from these two ends, we are going to scoop. Means we cut this, cut and remove. Okay. So we are going to cut this and remove it. Now from here also. So cut this and remove this. Okay. So remaining solid should be remaining. This is removed and this is removed. So this top circular is removed. Circular base is also removed. But extra surface area comes. This area can touch. Okay. This CSA of hemisphere will come. Here also CSA of hemisphere. This I can touch. Curved surface area of cylinder I can touch. And curved surface area of hemispheres. These two hemispheres I can touch. Okay. Now, as shown in the figure, this is the given diagram. They given in the question. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter. So height of this cylinder is how much? 10 centimeter. And base radius is how much? 3.5. So let us take this as base radius 3.5 centimeter. Base radius of cylinder or hemisphere, both are same here. Okay. Find the TSA of the article. So article means remaining solid. Initially it was solid. Now it will become article. While removing these two hemispheres, after removing these two hemispheres, you will get it as article. So they ask you to find TSA of article, means remaining solid. Article is nothing but what? Remaining solid. We have to find the total surface area of the article or remaining solid. So let us write the given data first. So height of cylinder. So height of cylinder. So that I will take as h 10 centimeter. And now radius of cylinder or hemispheres, both are same, hemispheres. Radius are same here. Hemispheres. That I will take as R is equals to how much? 3.5 centimeter. Now they ask you to find what? They ask you to find the total surface area of article or remaining solid. Article is equal to curved surface area of solid, curved surface of cylinder I can touch. It was the CSA of cylindrical part or cylinder. Cylinder plus this top and base, circular base and circular top are removed. We cannot touch it. Okay, but we can touch this one. This area I can touch and this area I can touch. Means plus 2 into, there are two hemispheres, 2 into CSA of hemisphere, 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Now let us write the formula. CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi R square. Now let us take common here as 2 pi R. Inside what will be there? H plus 2 R. Let us substitute the values. 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. R value is how much here? 3.5. H value is 10 plus 2 into R value is 3.5. Now this is equal to 2 into 22, 44 into 3.5 as 7 means 7 5 are 0.5 it is 0.5. 3.5 is here, that's why. 10 plus 2 into 3.5, so that is 7. Now this is 1 by 2, 44, that is 22 into 17. Okay, so 22 into 17, 17 2s are 34. 34 plus 3, 37. So 374 centimeter square. So that is what? So TSA of the article or surface area of the remaining solid I can say.